Picture this. You're sitting on your couch scrolling through your phone and suddenly a robot walks into your house, does your laundry, cleans your dishes, and get this, doesn't even complain about it. It might sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but thanks to Tesla, we're not that far off. When Elon Musk first announced that Tesla was diving into robotics, people thought it was another one of his wild ideas. But fast forward to today, Musk didn't just build a robot, he built Optimus, a humanoid robot that's set to change everything we thought we knew about robots. So, how did Tesla pull this off? And how will Optimus transform our lives? Buckle up, because this is one futuristic ride you won't want to miss. Humanoid robots have been a technological dream for years. Across industries like manufacturing and healthcare, engineers have worked tirelessly to create machines that can do the boring stuff, accurately, efficiently, and without getting tired, unlike us humans who need a break after folding 2 shirts. These robots don't just look like us, they're designed to act like us, from carrying out simple tasks to navigating complex environments, making them indispensable from factories to households. But why stop at just boosting productivity? Humanoid robots are here to extend human abilities, taking over roles that are repetitive, dangerous, or just plain tedious. Enter Tesla's Optimus, the robot that's designed to change the game. One might think, wait, haven't we seen humanoid robots before? What's so special about Optimus? Well, yes, humanoid robots have been around, but Optimus is different in a way that makes other robots feel like they're playing checkers while Tesla is playing 4D chess. It's not just a shiny tech gadget, it's designed to perform a vast range of tasks from cleaning your kitchen to working in a factory. While other robots like RMR6 or Kimmy are cool but pretty specialized, RMR6 can handle industrial work and Kimmy makes a mean cocktail, Optimus can do it all. And it doesn't need you to program each task individually. Imagine asking it to clean your house 1 minute and then switch to helping out with dinner prep. That's the power of Tesla's vision. A robot that learns from its surroundings and can switch from task to task without needing consistent input. To really grasp the scope of Optimus's potential, think back to when the iPhone was released. Remember when people thought, why would I need a phone that's also a camera and a GPS? Fast forward to now, and it's hard to imagine life without one. The iPhone revolutionized how we communicate, take photos, and even do business. Similarly, Optimus may not be the first humanoid robot, but just like the iPhone, it has the potential to leap ahead of the competition and redefine the market. Humanoid robots have been slowly creeping into everyday life, from bartenders to concierge to orchestral conductors. Yes, really. Take Emeka, a robot that can yawn, shrug, and even look surprised. Basically, it does a better job of pretending to be a human than some people. Or Alter 3, a musical conductor robot that even led an orchestra in Tokyo, proving that robots don't just lift heavy things, they can also lift spirits. And then there's RMR6, who's pretty handy in factories, and Apollo, who can haul stuff around warehouses like a robot bodybuilder. But Tesla's Optimus stands out because it's not just a one-trick pony. It's a jack of all trades, designed to help in homes, factories, and who knows, maybe even your next yoga class. And yes, it can do poses. Here's where Optimus really shines. It's not just about doing one job well, it's about doing all jobs well. It can switch from doing household chores to more complex industrial tasks in a blink. With AI that learns from observing humans, Optimus could go from washing dishes to babysitting in no time, all without you lifting a finger. And for all those worried about safety, don't be. Optimus is equipped with sensors and feedback systems to ensure it can handle objects safely and operate around people without knocking you over. Now imagine this. Factories filled with Optimus robots working 24/7, never needing a coffee break or calling in sick. Or at home, Optimus helping with household chores, cooking dinner, or even taking care of the elderly. It's not just a robot, it's the future of labor and caregiving. And the best part, Optimus could soon be affordable for the average person. Elon Musk plans to have these robots in mass production by 2026. And if you know anything about Musk, when he sets his mind to something, it's going to happen. Optimus could become as common in homes as Teslas are on the road. And speaking of Teslas, Optimus uses a lot of the same technology found in their cars, including AI systems for understanding its surroundings. Tesla has already made huge strides with Optimus, from early prototypes to a more functional version that wowed everyone at Tesla's AI Day. Just this year, in 2024, Tesla showed off Optimus sorting colored blocks and doing yoga, because who doesn't love a robot that can help out and strike a perfect downward dog? Musk's vision goes beyond the workplace. He predicts that Optimus will lead to an era of abundance where robots handle most labor and we humans are free to, well, relax. But, as with all new tech, there's one question. How much will it cost? Early estimates suggest around $20,000 to $30,000, which may seem a lot right now, but if it's anything like other Tesla products, the price might drop as production scales up. So what do you think? Could Optimus be the robot that finally frees us from chores and hard labor? Or will it just be another expensive gadget? Let us know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates, because whether you're ready or not, the future is arriving. Robot yoga and all.